All right, thanks for coming to the corner today, my friends. This is Pappy's official entry video for my 4th of July blowout giveaway. Yes, all you have to do is comment on this video, "I'm in," and you will automatically be entered into my 4th of July drawing. This giveaway is simple and easy, just like Pappy. Nothing complicated, no quizzes, questions. You don't have to make a VR or visit other channels and subscribe. There's no math, no spelling, no begging, no shout outs. This is a win-win for you to get up to 2 prizes, plus a shout out for your channel, my friend. With this blowout prize giveaway, I have 5 different prizes to choose from. And here they are. Prize number 1, over $100 value, Pappy's vape system. Go watch Pappy's vape review. Prize number 2, Pappy's tea with a P, size XXL. Prize number 3, Pappy's corner hats. Prize number 4, P corner mugs. Prize number 5, Pappy's corner koozies. And here's the total package for Pappy's 4th of July blowout giveaway. Okay, there's just 2 simple and easy rules. Number 1, of course you have to subscribe to Pappy's Corner. And any new subscribers, you'll need to put your subscriptions set to public for my verification. Now, all you current subscribers are in good if you've made comments and supported any of my videos in the past. Number 2, comment on this video, "I'm in." Bam! You're in. Just like that. You'll need to tell me what prize you want. You get 2 opportunities to win. So give me your second choice. Just say, "I want the hat and coffee mug," or koozie. I'll reply to confirm you're in. Oh, and I almost forgot. There is a 3rd rule. I reserve the right to change, modify, alter, suspend, discontinue, cancel, and make up any other rule that I decide. It's that simple. No strings attached. Here in the corner, it is always simple and easy. Okay, now, this is the order in which I will do the drawing. First, I will draw for the vape. Second, I will draw for the XXL tea with a P. And that's all I have is 1 XXL. So don't ask for any other sizes. Okay, the 3rd drawing is going to be for the hat. The 4th drawing will be for the coffee mug. And the 5th drawing will be for the koozie. And I have several of those. And coffee mugs. Okay, if your first choice is a coffee cup, your second choice can't be a hat, because that drawing will already be done. So you can figure that out. Remember, this is the only video you can enter the drawing and win up to 2 prizes per person. Cutoff for the entry is July 3rd, Central Time. At 12 noon. In case of any updates or changes between now and the drawing, I will put those in the description of this video. Watch for the results on July 4th, and winners need to send me your address in English to receive your prize. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you. Pretty nice stool I got here, isn't it?